Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss a new topic that is actuary. I'm sure each one of you would have heard about agents, brokers, risk assessor, loss assessor, and many such other careers in insurance. How many of you are aware of this word called as actuary? Actuary is also one of the most highly paid job in insurance sector. So today we are going to know more about what actually is and what are its role, responsibility, especially in insurance sector. So actuaries are professionals who apply mathematics to the financial problem. They evaluate the financial implication of contingent events, the events which are not known. Insurance is all about future, looking forward. We don't know what is going to happen. I take a life insurance today, not knowing how many years I'm going to live ahead. But yes, I secure myself and my family from the financial loss which I'm going to face in future. So the financial implication of any contingent event is what needs to be evaluated. What exactly is the risk which I am going to face? What should be my policy value? What should be the premium? What is the capacity of the premium that I can pay? All this needs to be calculated by applying mathematics and understanding various financial problems. So, actuaries are the one who manages the risk that arises from any type of undesirable contingent event. So, what is the likelihood of future event to happen? What are the chances? What is the probability? Based on that, the evaluation is done, and what will be its financial impact, and how to reduce this financial impact by understanding the risk and its financial implication. This is what exactly the role of actuary is. So, actuaries applies analytical, statistical, and mathematical skills to the financial and business problem. It can be in life insurance, it can be in general insurance, it can be health insurance, it can be in investment, it can be in corporate finance, it can be in pension, security, and many other area. So basically, we want to safeguard our future and at a fair price. And we know the world is going to keep changing. Nothing is going to be fixed. So, in this ever changing scenario, in the business complex world, how I safeguard myself, how I understand the uncertain future event which is going to happen with some confidence and with a fair price is where the role of actuary comes. So, actuary is a very important person in an insurance sector because he is going to apply all his analytical, statistical, mathematical skills. They are considered as acknowledged experts in analyzing and modeling of the situation, which involves financial risk and contingent event. So I don't know what is going to happen in future, yet I secure myself from the financial losses which I estimate may happen in future. And this is where a specialized expertise knowledge is required to analyze and make business models based on situation to face situations in future. Actuaries are also concerned with both asset as well as liability side of balance sheet. ALM is a very important concept, be it banks, insurance, any financial company. So actuaries play a vital role in helping the management to balance their asset and liability side. They also provide realistic solution to the complex problem with a long-term forward looking. Insurance is all about looking forward in a long term. I buy an insurance policy for the future. I buy a home insurance or I buy a car insurance for uh, using it for a long period of time. And so their complex problems related to those will also be very complex or uncertain. Actuaries will provide realistic solution to such complex problems. So they are very practical in nature, they are innovative and numerate. Today the competition is very vast and hence you have to be innovative by designing new product. So if I am at age of 30, maybe for another 30 years or 40 years or 50 years, I buy an insurance. So what will be the exact policy value? What is the premium? What is my capacity to pay premium? All this needs to be calculated. Numericals are very important. And based on that, actuaries provide practical solutions, and this is where the role of actuary is gaining importance. So, actuarial skills is all about financial and mathematical modeling, including mortality rate, etc. They analyze and manage uncertainty, they evaluate the financial consequences, the analysis of risk and risk management is also very important. We all know there are lots of types of risk which is facing. It could be business risk, it could be personal risk, it could be dynamic risk, and many type of risk which affects business as well as individual. But how do I manage it is where the key aspect is there. So actuarial skills include analyzing skills, where risk management is also included. Scientific pricing and reserving technique is also another area of expertise of actuarial. It's all about what price I pay to buy a product. So, what should be the scientific pricing technique which should be adopted so that you charge the right price for the right product? Even the reserving, how much should be the surplus, how much should be the reserves to be maintained by the insurance company is something, so that a company's liquidity, a company is not going into losses and bankruptcy. Solvency of a company is very important. So all these techniques are being taken care by actuary. Asset liability management and hence overall financial management. So actuaries need a very high technical knowledge. They need to have a very good business sense, because they need to understand the market study. They need to constantly do the research. They need to understand what is the problem that their customers or general public is facing and how to solve them. And of course, a high ethical standard needs to be maintained in maintaining confidentiality as well as doing a right conduct, and ability to communicate effectively with others so that they can convince to others what exactly is needed into the market. So, when we talk about actuaries, mathematical and statistical knowledge is something they need to be very strong at. Professional certification is also something which is very important. These days, we have a lot of other professional certifications coming up from Fellow of Society of Actuaries, Chartered Enterprise Risk Analyst, and all. From where Chartered Enterprise Risk Analyst and all, who also give professional uh, certification. Otherwise, the main certification comes from Associate of Institute of Actuaries of India, and CAA, that is Certified Actuarial Analyst. They are the main professional certification for actuaries in India. Fellow of Institute of Actuaries of India is also very important. They are the highest professional certification for actuaries in India. Communication and interpersonal skill is also very important in terms of this complex technical information, especially to non-technical stakeholders. And business acumen is very important to understand the insurance industry, understanding the market trend, the regulatory requirement by IRDA and all other statutory bodies, and how the business will function. All this, a thorough understanding of the market is required. At the same time, specialized mathematical statistical knowledge is also very crucial. So, what exactly is the role of actuary in insurance? They are the one who fix up on the rate, that is the premium, and the prices, reserving what should be the reserves and surplus of insurance company. Obviously they have to listen to all the insurance regulator, especially IRDA. All the guidelines need to be followed by them. They do work for reinsurance also. Ultimately all insurance company also need their insurance. And risk management, thinking about the future and managing different types of risk, is the main role of actuary in insurance sector. So, what are the qualification required? There are different levels of exams year-wise, like how professional exam of chartered accountant happens. Same way, even for actuary, the exams have been conducted by Institute of Actuary of India, and accordingly, it has to be cleared. So, the main thing is the knowledge of mathematics, statistics, economics, accounting, modeling, Actuarial mathematics, investment and asset analysis, and all these things are required. A practical experience is also required so that before you have a full professional qualification, a formal training on ethics and professionalism is also required in order to become a member and finally be accepted as an actuary. The number of actuaries in our whole country is very less. You can understand how prime this particular job is. So, who can be appointed as an actuary? The insurer who cannot transact business without appointing an actuary, he has to be eligible if first he or she is an ordinary resident in India, fellow member of Actuarial Society of India, that is mandatory thing. He or she has been an employee of life or general insurance, so that you have knowledge of insurance sector. You cannot be appointed actually at two insurance company. It is only one actually at one insurance company. Certificate of practice has to be issued by the Actuarial Society of India. The age limit is 70 years and you cannot breach any professional misconduct. This is again very important as ethical standards of becoming actuary is very high. The duties and the obligations are as follows: rendering actuarial advice to the management as well as insurer, particularly in pricing and designing the product. What should be the premium value, what should be the policy value, what are the price, and how you design innovative product into the market is the main duty and obligation of an actuary. Also, to ensure the solvency of the insurer at all the time, if I keep balancing asset liability management, of course, the solvency of the company will be maintained. Also, to comply with the provision of Section 64V of Insurance Act in regard to certification of asset and liability that has been valued in a required manner. And since it is insurance sector, you have to comply with all the directions which are issued by IRDA from time to time. So, an actuary is a business professional who deals with financial implication of risk and uncertainty. He is a specialist, especially in mathematics of risk, especially as it relates to insurance calculations such as premium, reserves, dividend, insurance, annuity rate, and they work for insurance company to evaluate applications which are based on risk. So, what are the main core responsibility of an actuary? So actuary has a very crucial role in insurance sector because they have to apply all this mathematical and statistical techniques. So in that, the key responsibility are as follow. The first one is risk assessment. They have to identify the data, assess the risk, and determine, so that they understand what are the potential losses while remaining competitive. Policy pricing is also another very important thing where they will deal with understanding the potential losses while remaining competitive. Reserving amount of money that an insurance company needs to set aside to pay future claim is very important. Product development, design new products to sustain in the market, be it life, property, health, general, any type of insurance, and regulatory compliance to match up with the solvency capital requirement and others as guided by IRDA from time to time. The other responsibility includes data analysis. We need to collect large data sets to identify trend, patterns, correlation. Modelings need to be made to estimate the outcomes and scenarios. Communication information to non-technical stakeholders, policyholders, regulators, as well as business leader. Strategy development, they need to develop strategies for business so that they sustain into the market. Expansion, it could be diversification, risk management, so many strategies insurance company need to follow. So actuaries contribute in developing those business strategies. Research and development is a very key important role which they need to do because they need to be updated with the market, emerging trend, technologies, methodologies, what is exactly happening into the market, the knowledge and applying the knowledge to improve insurance product and services is something which is very important role of actuary. So in India, we mainly have actuaries in all sectors, be it life and general insurance. So life actuaries will definitely focus on life insurance, annuity, and other life-related product. Under general insurance, we have property and casualty actuaries who focus on all property and casualty insurance, such as auto, home, liability insurance. Health actuaries are there, which focuses on health insurance, including medical, dental, vision, etc. Pension actuary is also there, which focuses on pension plans, retirement plans, and every other employee